Push-pull technique. Check me out. First, you must establish a relationship with the paper or any object that you are attempting to move. Note how I can barely put my hand to the paper, but it starts to have a reaction. See how I barely move my hand? That is my energy establishing a communication with the paper's energy. First, push. Note how I barely move my hand and the paper flies. There's no air, and I have my face covered. Next, pull. Establish a relationship with the paper. Notice how the paper just follows me. No air, no far back movements, no quick jerks. It's just the air is depleted away from my hand in the paper. And the only thing that's left is the energy from my hand and the energy from the paper. Note the communication that's established. You see the communication? So if I want it to go away or come to me, it does exactly what I asked it to. Push. 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 There's no air, as you can see, as I've been talking. I can sit the paper up and still talk. There's no air. Pull. 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 Most people give tutorials and don't explain. This is Super God Tron. Push.